sewing is popping. Oh my God. Hey, it's you again. I'm just sitting here in awe of my new sewing I just got. Yes, do you see me? I mean, do you see me? Oh, look at the hair. Just let it flow like Toni Braxton. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Do you see the highlights that I put on this human hair unit?
It made me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah, music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love, like a pool with it. Way below the surface, babe. In the things, yeah, you see the inner man. Never sweat, no.
That melt is everything. All right, back to the tunes. Enjoy the music.
That we order, yeah. Never seen a rip, we gon' show
Baby, come and talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all. Your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? If you have not noticed, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Your girl got her nails did, y'all. I'm back like I never left. You know what I'm saying? We on and popping, you know. These ain't no press-ons. This is their acrylic with the gel. Reunited and it feels so good. Okay, back to let's jump right into today's video. Shout out to Shanise Nicole for sponsoring today's video. Yes, ma'am. I did purchase this wig off of Elevated Styles, and I'll leave that direct link down below in the description box. But you can shop where your heart desires, okay, boo? Today's wig is by Bobbi Boss. It is their HD Ultra Scalp Illusion. Okay, Illusion. Soft focus double line HD lace. Yo, they said this is a boss lace, okay? Check me out. Wipe me down. All right, it is hand tied. It comes with an extra wide deep lace. You also get free parting. It does come with baby hairs and also a flexi. Oops, excuse me. It comes with a flex fit cap. This hair is premium synthetic. I have this wig in the style Mlf470 and her name is Cherie in the color F1B30. On the back, it says HD skin blending lace, double line for hidden knots, hand tied extra wide lace. This wig is heat resistant safe, but it does not have the degrees on the stock card. So when I applied some heat to this wig, I did leave it on 1. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Y'all already know how I do. I'm going to give y'all those cons first. Okay, the first con I would have to say about this wig is that I wasn't really feeling the double line lace. Now, the only reason why I say that is because it is really, really light. And it was too light for my skin tone. So I went ahead and cut it out. Okay? I went ahead and cut it out. It was no big deal. I really shouldn't say that it was a con because it took me a couple seconds to snip it out and keep it moving. But they said they want to give you a powder blended effect. So to me, it's like a fake scalp method type thing with the wig. It's not really a con like, oh my God, I hate this wig. It's just something, it might work for some people, it might not, okay? So just be mindful of that. When you do get this wig, you're gonna have some extra lace sewed on the inside, okay? Other than that, I do not have any other cons, y'all. Period. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the pros of this wig. The first pro about this wig, y'all, is the lace. Bobbi Boss is not playing. Granted, this may not be the HD lace that comes with human hair wigs, but it's dang near close, y'all. This wig melted so wonderfully even before I applied any makeup to blend in my parting space. Y'all, just look at that. That looks amazing. Another pro I would have to say is the parting space. I did not have to do anything to this parting space, y'all. I didn't have to pluck it at all. All I did was apply some pressed powder. Now, granted, I did use a lighter powder than I normally would because once I cut out the inside of that cap, as y'all could tell, it was really blending in with my skin tone. The lace was like really brown, brown, brown. That is not a negative. I just had to apply some pressed powder so it could pop, and it's popping, okay? Because you do what you want when you popping. I mean, period. Another pro is the hair texture. Y'all, this hair feels amazing, okay? So I know when y'all look at these reviews, y'all think, tell me something good. Now. Tell me that you like it, yeah. I did receive a little bit of shedding, but not a whole lot. When I run my hands through the wig now, I'm not receiving any hairs. Also, I did receive some snags fresh out the pack, you know, when I was showing you guys the parting spaces, but I haven't received any snags since then. It's been a while since I did one, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a nape test for y'all. Ooh, look at that color. That color looks really good too. Ooh, don't pay attention to my edges. Okay, y'all know I do not lay my whole wigs down for my wig reviews. Okay. Another pro I would have to say is that I love the color. I feel like the highlights are just enough to give you like a little pop, especially for those who are scared of colors and want to dip their foot into colors. This is the perfect color blend for you because it's not too much. When somebody see you, they're gonna say, ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I got it, baby. Ooh, yes, y'all. We is gonna be popping all summer with these wigs. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this is a flexi cap, so it stretches enough. It feels really, really comfortable. Honestly, I wish all wig brands had the flex cap because it fits perfectly. I think it like molds to your head and it has good stretch to it. Like I have a lot of room in the back. I really do like the style of this wig, even though it's very basic. I feel like this could be a everyday wig. The density of this wig is very, very nice, but I also feel like it's not too much hair for the summertime. But I do believe this wig is very beginner friendly. Y'all, I did not have to do a whole lot of work to this wig to get it to lay like this. Very basic look, okay? It's nothing fancy about this wig, but it's an affordable slay. And you can really plop on this unit and go. Okay, I mean, you're going to have to put some, depending on your complexion, you're going to have to, you know, doctor up the parting space. But that's it, y'all. I didn't go through a whole lot of nothing to make this wig look good. I mean, just look at it. Wipe me down. I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you drop a comment down below. Say what's up. Y'all, I do not bite, okay? I only bite if my man asks me to, all right? All right. So say what's up. I just want to say thank y'all so much for always supporting the kid. And make sure you guys are staying safe. Practice good hygiene and all that jazz. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and let your girl know. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.